Hello friend, welcome to Data Lux. In this video, we will be discussing about a question from the IIT GATE Data Science and AI paper from the aptitude part, right? So the question here say, if a real variable x satisfy this equation, and what equation say 3 raised to x square equal to 27 into 9 raised to x, then we have to find the value of this part, right? So how we can approach this? So first we have to solve this equation and find the value in term of x. So this can be written as 3 raised to x square equal to we can write 27 as a 3 cube, right? So this will be 3 cube into 9. We can further simplify it in term of 3. So this will be 3 square and whole power x, right? So by using the property of power and indices, so we can further write this one 3 cube into 3 raised to 2x, and we know if the base is same, then power will be added. So this will result in 3 raised to 3 plus 2x, right? So this is the case. Now here this side is 3 raised to x square. So here also base is same on the both side. Therefore we can compare the power of both the bases. So here this will result in x square equal to 3 plus 2x. See here is the trap here. If you simplify further in term of x, so this may increase your effort. So what we will do here, we can put this value of x square here in the power of x square, right? So now let's put this value. So we have to find 2 raised to x square, right? And 2 raised to see here x square, right? So here is x and whole power is 2. So now we can put here the value of this x square. So this will become 2 raised to 3 plus 2x by using this one here we have found here. So upon we can write this also 2 raised to 2x, right? So further we can explicate it. So this will become 2 raised to cube into 2 raised to 2x upon 2 raised to 2x. So this is the this here 2 raised to 2 square and 2 raised to 2x, 2 raised to 2x and 2 raised to 2x. So this will be cancelled out and remaining part will be 2 cube, that is 8, right? So but we have to find in term of power. So if you see the answers here, so here we have this one, right? So this is the case, this is the solution for this equation. So that's it from this video. Thanks for watching.